Hey everybody, it's Scott Galden with Simmons Floor Covering and Total Renovations. I'm outside of Hometown in North Richland Hills. We're doing a bathroom remodel. Let's see how it's going. We started with a shower that was beginning to leak and needed to be completely replaced. We completely rebuilt the shower and used the customer's design around pink. We replaced all of the walls with pink tile that's textured and glossy, and then we used white pebble tiles at the bottom of the tile and on the seat. We replaced the plumbing for a new faucet and fixtures, and then we changed out the tile in the floor with a pink octagon hex. If you're dreaming of a new kitchen or bath, call us at Simmons Total Renovations. We'll be happy to provide you with a free consultation and help make your dream kitchen or bath come true.